Whispers of rain on the old stone roof, soft as a secret, tender and aloof. The air hums alone, the world stands still. A window fog with breath of time, drips trace patterns, nature's rhyme, each drop a note, a fleeting thrill. A hush of gray on mossy, memory curls in emerald leaves. The hearth inside begins to glow, while outside dances soft and slow. A lullaby the skies compose. A hush of gray on mossy, memory curls in emerald leaves. The hearth inside begins to glow, while outside dances soft and slow. A lullaby the skies compose.